My name's Eric Franklin Amarante, and I direct the Community Economic Development Clinic, or the CED Clinic.
Hi, my name is Avan. I am a 2L and I am a part of the Community and Economic Development Clinic or the CED Clinic.
The CED Clinic is a 6 credit clinic where student attorneys have the opportunity to practice transactional law in the public interest by representing nonprofits, small businesses, entrepreneurs, and artists.
At the CED Clinic, we get to implement what we were learning from BA or other courses into our representations.
Transactional law, roughly, is anything that doesn't happen in the courtroom. Now, for us, that might include providing advice to our clients on the proper entity, and once they make that proper entity choice, to help them form that entity. We also draft governance documents such as bylaws and operating agreements, and we draft and negotiate contracts and leases. Finally, we also provide what you might call soft intellectual property advice, so not patents, but copyrights and trademarks.
At the CED Clinic, we represent entities through each stage of their existence. Through the business cycle. So, whether it's working with choice of entity considerations or drafting internal governance documents, or applying for tax exempt status, or working on trademarking for the more experienced entities.
Once I find out what students will be in the CED clinic for a particular semester, is find out what those students are interested in and see if I can find clients that align with those interests.
So our clients in CED come to us with unique problems, and you are tasked with coming up with creative solutions to problems to which there is no pre-written script. You have to write the script yourself. And it's been really cool because I get to help my clients be successful using transferable skills that I learned from other classes. When I first came to CED, I remember thinking, I don't know Jack. Professor Amarante, teach me your ways. And he was like, nope. He was like, go look it up and then come talk to me. And it's been really cool to see because I'm realizing that he learns just as much from us as we do from him. He leaves a lot of the representation decisions up to us, even like down to like what cases we work on. He leaves that up to us, and so that's been really cool. It's also daunting, but when you do get it right, it's rewarding for everyone involved.
So that's the CED clinic in a nutshell. I hope you reach out to me if you have any questions, and I hope to see you next semester.